देखें दूर दूर से हाजी हज के लिए आए हुए हैं, एक एक अरकान अदा कर रहे हैं और जब अदा करके वापस जाएंगे तो अल्लाह भी इनको बड़ा इनाम देने वाले हैं। अल्लाह कहते हैं हमने इनके सारे गुनाहों को माफ़ फरमा दिया। जितने लोग हज के लिए गए हैं अल्लाह सबके हज को कबूल फरमाए और हम सबको भी अपने घर की हाज़िरी नसीब फरमाए। देखें लाइव देखें, एक एक अरकान अदा हो रहा है, एक एक चीज़ अदायगी हो रही है। जब सब हाजी सारी चीज़ों को अदा कर लेंगे तो अल्लाह उनसे राज़ी हो जाएंगे। जब इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम की एक एक सुन्नत अदा होगी तो रब राज़ी हो जाएंगे और अल्लाह सारे गुनाहों को माफ़ फरमाएंगे। हज की देखें दौलत से अल्लाह सबको माला माल फरमाए। आओ हम सारे लोग मिलकर हज के पूरे अरकान को देखें। हो सकता है अल्लाह अगली बार हमें अपने घर की हाज़िरी नसीब फरमा दें। ध्यान से सारे अरकान को देखें और लब्बैक पढ़ते रहें। लब्बैक अल्लाहुम्मा लब्बैक लब्बैक ला शरीका लक लब्बैक इन्नल हम्दा वन निअमता लक वल मुल्क ला शरीका लक। जितने लोग वीडियो को देख रहे हैं सारे लोग तकबीर ज़रूर पढ़ें। लब्बैक अल्लाहुम्मा लब्बैक लब्बैक ला शरीका लक लब्बैक इन्नल हम्दा वन निअमता लक वल मुल्क ला शरीका लक। हम सारे लोग इतने गुनहगार हैं, ये जो हाजी गए हुए हैं लब्बैक कह रहे हैं, हम भी लब्बैक कहें। हो सकता है इनके लब्बैक के साथ हमारे भी लब्बैक मिल जाए और अल्लाह इनके साथ हमारे भी सारे गुनाहों को माफ़ फरमा दें। तो हम तलबिया को ज़रूर पढ़ें।
Today, the sky over Arafah shelters millions of souls who bow their heads in solemnity, cry, pray, and beg the most forgiving one. Exactly on the Tis'ad of Dhul-Hijjah, the peak of the Hajj pilgrimage was held in the field of Arafah, a holy place that is never empty of prayers and tears from Allah's guests. This is where every servant comes carrying the burden of life, countless sins, accumulated hopes, old wounds that have not yet healed. They came in white, seamless Ihram clothes, leaving behind all the attributes of the world, melting into the sea of Bibbaul with one goal, seeking his approval and forgiveness. There was no difference between king and Bibbaul, rich and poor, officials or farmers. All are equal before God. Everyone hopes that their prayer sentences, which may have been hidden or postponed, will be answered in this blessed land. At Arafat, nothing is easy. The hot sun, the crowded crowd, and the tiredness of the body are only small tests compared to the weight of the heart which is fighting with sincerity. But it is precisely here that the meaning of the Hajj reaches its peak, when the whole soul surrenders completely to Allah alone, begging with uncontrollable cries, "O Allah, forgive me. Accept my Hajj." In the afternoon after the sunset, the pilgrims began to move towards Muzdalifah. After Maghrib, in an atmosphere that was still full of emotion, they traveled the distance of 9 kilometers from Arafah to Muzdalifah using a shuttle bus. Usually it only takes 30 minutes, but that night felt longer, because my heart was still shaking with Arafah's remembrance and prayers. In Muzdalifah, pilgrims spend the night, maybe, collecting small pebbles, symbols of obedience and struggle. One by one the pebbles were selected, not just any stones. It will be a weapon against Satan who continues to whisper error in human life. In the morning, they headed to Mina to carry out the stoning procession. There, it starts with Jamra Aqaba, followed by Jamra Ula, Wastha, and Aqaba on the following days. Each pilgrim carries at least 49 stones if they choose the early Nafar, staying for 2 nights, or 70 stones for the late Nafar, staying for 3 nights. Each throw is not just a hand movement, but a throw of determination to fight lust, drive away temptation, and strengthen the heart to always be on the path of Allah. Throwing the python is a symbol of resistance against the devil, man's eternal enemy. When the hand swung the small stone, it was as if the heart said, "O Satan, I have seen the light of my Lord on Arafat. I will no longer be tempted by your whispers. I choose the straight path, the path that is approved by Allah." That's how the pilgrimage goes. Not just a physical ritual, but a very deep spiritual journey. From Arafah, which was full of tears, to Muzdalifah, which was silent and still, then to Mina, which was full of struggle. In each place, Allah presents tests, but also opens a wide door of forgiveness. May all this year's Hajj pilgrims return to their homeland with clean hearts, forgiven sins, and a noble title, Hajj Mabrar, a Hajj accepted by Allah. And for those who haven't had the chance, may Allah invite us all to His holy land. Amen, Rabbal Alamin.
إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا